Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video I am giving you demonstration how to activate clean mode in your Tesla car, no matter which types of model you have, model 3, Y, S or X. You can do same process and very easily activate clean mode in your Tesla car. So how to do it? It's very simple. Today is a rainy weather is going on in my place. Simply open the car, sit on the car, after that you just simply press here in the car logo. After that, here bunch of options are available. You just simply press here in the display, because of we discuss with the display how to clean the mode. So here the screen clean mode is option available. You just simply tap and boom, look at this here, screen cleaning mode. Hold to exit. Now is going on. You can clean the screen, touch screen, and then after very easily just simply hold for 3 seconds, 1, 2 and 3, and boom, again activate. So this is a simple tips and tricks to activate screen cleaning mode and clean the screen without any disturbance. If you really like this video, so please hit the bell icon, share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.